Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Upasna and today I am gonna share with you my new apartment tour. This is an empty apartment tour. I just got a new apartment in downtown Pittsburgh and let's get into the tour. Hey guys, welcome to my new downtown Pittsburgh apartment tour. On my right, when I enter the house, I have this huge coat closet where I can store all kind of shoes, coats, and there is a space in between, like very hidden space where I can store the empty boxes for my TV or any other stuff I want to be hidden. Then on my left I have this slightly dark but spacious guest room. It has its own closet and a huge restroom. The restroom also has storage closet, so it's very handy to store all the basic needs like tissue paper and towels and stuff like that. The whole apartment is very wide open and airy with huge windows so that there is a lot of light in the house, and I love bright houses. The kitchen is very open as well. As you can see, it's very modern with granite countertops, breakfast bar and stainless steel appliances, and with surplus storage, and it looks so aesthetically pleasing and clean and neat. The apartment has high ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors and tall windows with some amazing views. And the window shelves are just the cutest. Fun fact, we use these shelves as a dining table before we unpacked any of our stuff. This is the second closet for our master bedroom. The master restroom is same as the guest restroom with full-size washer and dryer installed inside it. It's very handy to have washer and dryer inside the washroom instead of having them in the living room. I just love my master bedroom. Let me just say this before we start. It's a very cozy place and I love the bright vibrance of it. The windows here are bigger than the living room windows, and it might not look like that, but it's very bright, sunshiny vibe, and it's always bright. Even in the evenings it's bright. Even when it's dark outside, the windows are just gorgeous. You can see the city lights, all the buildings with bright window lights. It's amazing. The closet is just perfect. It might be very small for a walk-in closet, but it's perfect for me. All in all, I'm in love with my new gorgeous apartment. The views, the hardwood floor, the windows, the ceilings, the countertops, the appliances, the AC control system for every other room. Everything is just gorgeous and I'm in love with it. Do tell me your feedback. Do you love my new apartment? Do you have any suggestions? So this was the video, guys. Hope you liked this video tour. All the decoration kind of videos, all the hauls regarding my house are coming very soon. I hope you like this video. Do give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do comment in the comment section down below. See you guys next time. Bye.